Today we'll be talking about samples and populations. So, what is population? Population is a discrete group of people, animals, or things that can be identified by at least one common characteristics for the purposes of data collection and analysis. There are four types of population. There's a finite population, the infinite population, existent population, and the hypothetical population. The finite population is the population that can be counted. The infinite population is a population that is uncountable. And then the existent population is a population whose unit available is in a solid form. And then you have the hypothetical population, is a population whose unit is available in a solid form, but it's only just to be a thought.
What is a sample? Sample is the subset of the population. It's used when the population is way too large. And in order to be valid, a sample needs to represent every aspect of the population and it needs to be unbiased. There are different types of sampling. We have probability sampling, in which each element of the population has the same chance of being selected for the sample. Then we have the non-probability sampling, in which the elements that form the final sample are selected manually. And then probability sampling can be also divided in four different categories. There are simple random sampling, which is the most common way to sample population. We have systematic random sampling, in which samples are selected according to a random starting point and a fixed interval. We have stratified random sampling that divides the population based on specific characteristics, and after that a random sample is taken from the group. And finally we have the cluster sampling, which is similar to the stratified random sampling, but it's more cost effective since it focuses only on particular geographic areas.
So now we will be explaining what is the difference between population and sampling. For example, we will be drawing stars of blue color, red, and purple. So all the stars together represent a population, blue population, purple population, and red population. So if we pick each star, a representative star from each population, that would be a sample. So we pick one star from the blue, one from the purple, and one from the red, and that is a sample. So why is sampling better? It's more physically accessible, cost-effective, time-saving, more convenient when test object might be destroyed, and it is non-redundant.